racers at a blistering pace.
Iggy Arbuckle, Iggy Arbuckle.
He's a brave big ranger in a way cool place.
Iggy Arbuckle, Iggy Arbuckle.
Shouting from the peekaboo, flying from the trees, from the heebie-jeebie forest to the icy rain freeze. Jiggers is his beaver power, reluctant but dependable. They gotta work to keep among the natural.
Of course, our show also has bad guys.
Right from Moose Knuckle!
Iggy Arbuckle, Iggy.
Jiggers, you're a genius.
So I've been told.
How'd you even fit all these new gizmos into old Rusty?
A genius never tells.
Binoculars, toothbrush, bird call. Ow! Look, the bird call works.
Are you okay?
I think so.
Are you sure? You sound kind of tweety.
Not to worry. We Arbuckles have snouts of steel.
Very impressive, Mr. Steel Snout. But I think you better lie down. It's getting close to bedtime anyway. Iggy! It's the end of the world!
What?
There's this... Oh, it's gone now.
You were dreaming, Jig. That's what you get for inhaling that humongous sandwich before bed. You know what yak cheese does to you.
Right. I forgot. Sorry. Go back to sleep.
It's just the yak cheese. It's just the yak cheese.
Tibetan tea?
It'll take more than lukewarm leaf water to wake me up.
Did anyone sleep?
Iggy did.
I never liked that guy.
Isn't it a beautiful morning? No! Boy, looks like everyone had grump berries with their cereal this morning.
Excuse us. Our auras are a little murky from lack of sleep.
See? They heard it too. I knew it wasn't a yak cheese nightmare.
That's strange. I didn't hear a thing last night.
How could you possibly sleep through it?
Yeah, it sounded like a dumpster being emptied in my bedroom.
More like beluga whales in a belly flop contest.
This sounds serious. I'd better investigate. Good thing I keep my security camera on at night. Can't be too careful with my rare nut collection. Let's see if the noise is on tape. Hey, my Carpathian walnut!
Well, that's why you didn't hear it.
It's me! I'm snoring!
Your nose! When old Rusty hit you in the face, it must have deviated your septum. That's why you're snoring. This is all my fault. The springs wound too tight because I crammed too many gadgets into this thing. I hereby relinquish any claim to geniosity.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
It's still crooked. Try the wrench.
Stop! You'll give yourself an energy blockage.
Well, I'm sure there's a simple solution. Behold, the automatic pig inverter. If you start snoring, it'll flip you over, so you'll stop.
And if that doesn't work, we can use it to make really large pancakes. What? Wait! It's not time to migrate! Stop! Please don't leave! Was I really that loud?
Not so much loud as...
Deafening.
Oh, wise, great Bamzini, hear my plea. How do I protect the park from me?
Great! Now he's rhyming to the overgrown chopstick.
You gotta follow your nose.
Wacky has a choice?
And face your worst fear.
Face my worst fear, but that's... I have to leave the Cucamonga.
What?
Oh, piffle.
Iggy, how many times do I have to tell you? This giant splinter doesn't make any sense.
Maybe not to you, but I know exactly what it's saying. If I stay here, I'll wreck the park with my snoring.
I do not accept that interpretation.
Well, I don't care if you do not accept it.
Well, I don't care if you don't care.
Well, I don't care if you don't care.
Enough!
If I don't care.
Now do you see why I prefer the company of trash?
It just so happens that I've come up with an idea. We're going to Iggy-proof the park, huh? Huh?
Maybe I should just stay awake, forever.
Stop talking and put this on. It's an anti-snoring mask. It pumps air into your snout to keep your windpipe open, so you won't snore. Just close your eyes and go to sleep. Pretend I'm not here.
Jiggers, did I snore?
Oops. No. The room decided to rearrange itself. Iggy? You never give up.
Yes, I do. Since I turned into a Cucamonga menace.
Fine. Where will you go?
The city. It's noisy already, so I'll fit right in. Come on. Let's take one last hike around the Kook before my bus comes.
Keep it together, Jiggers.
And so we say goodbye to Iggy and wish him success in all his new endeavors far, far away from here. Iggy, I think this farewell gift says everything about our relationship. A one-way bus ticket to the city. Enjoy. Sayonara. Adios.
Thanks,
Shalom.
Stu. You're all heart.
We have stuff for you too, Iggy. Here. Remember me when you take out the trash.
I want you to have this crystal. It'll help absorb the chaotic energy of the city.
And this juicer. I'll miss making your watermelon smoothies.
Iggy, since I won't be there to remind you about things, I made you this.
Don't forget to eat your veggies.
I have something for you, too. Take this. I leave the Kook in your capable paws. Goodbye, everyone.
Huh? Whoa!
Careful, you will put your eye out.
Iggy! Wake up! Iggy!
Is it just me, or is he not snoring?
What? Oh, you just ironed this shirt.
Iggy, listen! Your nose whistle's gone. You're cured.
That's why the great Bamzini told me to leave, so the bus door could fix my nose.
So I guess this means I won't have to rent out your room.
Wait, he looks familiar. Hey! You're the nut burglar! Stop! I'll trade you! I have a one-of-a-kind Valencia peanut with 5 kernels!
Now, just Just a slimy minute. Iggy has to leave. I bought him a non-refundable bus ticket. Who's going to use this? Huh?
Come back here, you thief! You owe me a walnut! They don't grow on trees, you know!
Okay, they do, but it's still stealing.
I would have missed that nutty pig. Hey, you can't run from justice!